Hi! Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change allow photo access and Facebook content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and click the photos. Then in the photos, find the Facebook under the apps with requested photo access. Then click. Then in the Facebook, if you want to change it to all photos, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to none, just click also until there's also a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to selected photos, just click also. And that's it. We have successfully changed allow photo access and Facebook content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!